Makati Mayor Junjun Binay received positive news today regarding his suspension order. Joanano tells us why.
Makati Mayor Junjun Binay was grateful for the temporary restraining order issued by the Court of Appeals on the 6-month suspension issued by the Office of the Ombudsman against him and 22 other officials of Makati City. At past 8 o'clock this morning, the Department of Interior and Local Government, led by DILG Director Renato Brion, went to the Makati City Hall to serve the suspension order. However, said order was only posted outside the City Hall because almost the entire City Hall was closed this morning. Many of the employees were not able to report for work because early on, more than 2,000 policemen from NCRPO and several members of the PNP staff surrounded the City Hall. Employees and supporters could only enter through the basement. At past 12 noon, the Court of Appeals issued a temporary restraining order stopping the 6-month suspension of Mayor Binay.
Kami ho naninindigan na hindi po legal yung naging kautusan with the TRO. I mean, hindi na po importante po ito. Ha? Ang mahalaga po ngayon ay magtrabaho na po tayo.
The TRO is effective for 60 days. Binay's camp will be paying 500,000 pesos as bond for the TRO issued by the court. Mayor Binay was overjoyed because he can finally go home after almost 5 days of staying at the City Hall. The mayor decided not to leave the City Hall until the Court of Appeals has acted on his appeal for a TRO. Binay's camp expressed dismay on the immediate serving of the suspension order by the DILG in spite of their petition in court.
Sana wag padalos-dalos kasi alam naman ng lahat na nakahain na yung usapin sa Court of Appeals. Ngayon, minamadali nila, ayan, pinag-oath nila si Vice Mayor. Ngayon, tingnan nyo, nagkaroon naman ng restraining order.
The mayor immediately faced his supporters to tell them of the court decision and told them to go home. Joanano reporting for Y News.